Hello. A question from a student about finding the one-sided limit. X approaches negative 1/2 on the right of rational expression 6x squared plus x minus 1 in numerator, and denominator is 4x squared minus 2x minus 2. Please understand that when you are asked to find a limit, the first step you plug in this number, in this case negative 1/2, in the expression. So once you plug in and calculate numerator and denominator, you will find out quickly that the denominator is 0 in this case. Now, it is not always the case, and once you have rational expression like this and denominator of 0, you have a chance to reduce this rational expression by factoring completely numerator and denominator. So let's try it. So 6x squared plus x minus 1 in factored form will be 3x and 2x. And now we need to figure out which parentheses will have positive, which parentheses have negative 1. So we need to have positive x and here minus. Let's check. 3x times 2x, 6x squared. 3x times 1, 3x. Minus 2x gives you 1x. And negative 1 times positive 1 gives you negative 1 here. So that's correct. Now we factor 4x squared minus 2x minus 2. Let's notice that 2 is a common factor. It's always we start with factoring out the common factor. So you get 2x squared minus x minus 1. Now we factor that trinomial over here. We will do the same way as we did that trinomial in numerator. So it will be 2 in front. And then 2x squared we get if we multiply 2x and x. That's why I put here. Then we have negative 1. So we have 1 or negative 1 when we multiply 1 by 1. So in this case, so we have to have negative x. So this will be negative, this will be positive, right? Now let's look at the rational expression. So instead of 6x squared plus x minus 1 over 4x squared minus 2x minus 2, we can write down the same expression as 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 1, so numerator and denominator in factored form, over 2 times 2x plus 1 equals x minus 1. So we see that these two common factors we reduce and we get the expression 3x minus 1 over 2 times x minus 1. Now let's see what happens if we try to find the limit of the limit as x approaches negative 1/2 on the right, means numbers greater than negative 1/2 of this expression 3x minus 1 2 times x minus 1. So we plug in negative 1/2 and we get 3 times negative 1/2 minus 1 2 times negative 1/2 minus 1. So here we have 3 times negative 1/2, negative 3/2 minus 1, negative 5/2. And here we have 2 times negative 3/2 because we subtracted here in parentheses. So we reduce like so, and we have next step negative 5/2 divided by -3, so result is positive 5, 6. That's the answer. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.